VXN News is closely monitoring the aftermath of a powerful earthquake that struck the southern Philippines today. A magnitude 7.4 tremor, as indicated on mapping data analyzed by our team, originated offshore, raising immediate concerns about potential tsunami activity and its impact on coastal communities. Initial reports suggest widespread tremors felt across several islands, leading to the activation of emergency response protocols. While damage assessments are still underway, authorities are bracing for potential structural damage to buildings and infrastructure, particularly in areas closest to the epicenter. The focus is now shifting towards ensuring the safety and well-being of residents, with evacuation orders issued for vulnerable coastal areas. Humanitarian organizations are mobilizing to provide assistance, anticipating potential needs for shelter, medical supplies, and clean water. This seismic event adds to the complexities of a region already grappling with various socio-economic challenges and the potential for further instability. Regional governments are coordinating their response efforts, recognizing the need for a unified approach to mitigate the earthquake's effects and address the broader implications for the interconnected island nations. Experts are analyzing aftershock patterns to predict future seismic activity and better inform preparedness strategies. Thank you for listening. Please follow or subscribe to get more updates from VXN News.